Hello, Virgos. What's up, people? Welcome to our divine family. This beautiful read, guys, which is all gonna be. You can see the background. They're two cuties, right? I would just say that this readings is going to resemble much more with the background. That is, you are longing for a partner, right? Your partners or someone you always see, you always think about. You're feeling that I want to build a relationship, a connection with them, and I'm very happy with it. Oh, something happened. Okay. So yeah, so something I think here is building up. You want this relationship to take a different levels. Let's check what is your person thinking. The one who you are thinking you're longing for, are they equally longing for you? What is happening with them? What is their nature, their core of taking this relationship, and what all of what else is happening with it, right? So let's see, let's take it, let me guide you with the best. This video is gonna be a longer version, remember this, it will be taking time. And if you people, if every viewers of mine are liking this one thing, that yes, for longer videos you are ready, you're wanting more informative, more detailed, more deeper videos, please do comment and tell us and give love to these videos, so that it kind of comes up to our heart that yes, you need these videos and we are gonna be making it for you people much more, right? So share, guys. Subscribe, and subscribe. Comment, like. Okay. So let's begin with the cards. What it is saying for Virgos. Six of Wands. This is wow. What a beginning. Virgos, remember one thing, that about this individual. I'm telling it to you. They do not like getting defeated, not at all. So if any kind of arguments happen between you both, remember one thing, that you try to surrender yourself firstly, and just second. And the most important thing here is that try to not indulge into any kind of arguments. This individual will not leave I would say that their statements are going to be so high that you might also get hurt in sometimes, right? It's important not to get into arguments with them. Secondly, this individual is someone who once hold your hand will always want to reach every victory with you. Are you getting it? Secondly, I would also say that this individual is powerful. They are powerful, guys. They are holding people with them, first of all. Secondly, you will see a different aura and different gesture of this individual when you are being with them. Looking up at a person from afar, observing them is a different case, but when you start living with them, you start to know the reality, the real face. And when you will see that yes, this individual is having lots of followers, lots of people who are thinking about them. Virgos, I would just say one thing, that this individual, first of all, will make sure that they never leave their powerful possession. Secondly, they are a leader, they are dominator, they will dominate you in every single thing. So if you are a person who gets suppressed easily, or who are happy when your partner dominates you over you, enter into it, because they are fire signs. I'm telling you, you might be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, strongly coming up, Virgos, and you are feeling that happiness with them because they're charming, they are very honest, they are very truthful. They also are someone who are upfront. Their words, whatever they say, their actions meet their words. Remember this. You will see them loving conversations, you will see them always chatting, always talking, because see, fire signs are like that. They are very communicative. They love communication, they love the talkings and everything. But talks about what? You will see them much more when they are with you. They won't be talking about power, they won't be talking about, oh, my work, this, that. No, it all gets aside. What they're gonna talk about is family, love, togetherness. Remember, I see this thing that this individual is a person who will keep their business aside, their family aside. Very mature and very understanding kind of people. They would not like you being childish, being dramatics. No. So make sure you don't create dramas because they hate dramas. The Chariot in the Reverse. We're having the Five of Pentacles. We're having the Eight of Swords. One more is happening. Emperor is here. Emperor is here, guys. Queen of Cups is here. I said they are natural lovers. They will love you unconditionally, but they will also, fight with you. They would also get angry with you. There are a mixture in the love. Okay? Now, I'll tell you one thing that Virgos, your partner wants to take things slow. Slow means slow. If you both are of not same planes, which might be a case, I feel that how Virgos are, and how if you're dealing with a fire sign or fire is dominating in their chart, it might create some kind of chaotic situation in your relationship. And if they know it already, if they are aware about it, the problem which might enter here is that any of you or both of you might feel that somebody is getting restricted to speak much. Yeah. Now what I tell you, this individual is opening up in communications and conversations. They are talkative people, but when it comes to expressing their feelings, they take themselves aback. They are not good at expressing. They feel a lot of things that my Virgos, my partner should not get hurt. So that is where they try to hurt themselves, but they would never ever hurt you. Wow. I think if you want to be with a person, you will see a lot of things happening. Now they might be really rude sometimes with you, but when they are in loving, they love a lot. Also, they're very caring people, guys. First of all, I'll tell you, dealing with a fire sign is not that easy. Not easy. I tell people. Specifically, whenever I get a fire sign to have a conversation with me about their spouse or something, a choice, I tell them go with the fire sign. Do not go with any other sign because it gets difficult. Until and unless Virgos, you understand them, until and unless you spend much more time with them, you won't be able to control a fire sign. Why? Because they are someone who would just blast like anything, but they would also cool down very, very, very fast. And then they would need you at that time. When other person gets hurt, they won't come to them. So this is where the things go wrong. Are you getting it? This is what I'm telling you. Why? Because this is something that you should not do. This is something that you should take care of when you're dealing with them. They get hurt easily, but they won't say that I am hurt. And they won't be ready to take things in a faster manner. Go slower with them. Go slow with them. Don't just go and propose this individual. They are not like that. They can't process it. They would take time. See, they are very different. I'm telling you, they are very different doing business. They are very different doing love. Very different people. They would really become shy in love, but never in business. They're outspoken people, guys. But when you come up in the love, you would see a very drastic change in them, which is somewhere people misunderstand. Why? Because when they see a fire sign, zodiac sign specifically, they would see, okay, they get attracted by these charm of their nature, which is shown to the world, but they are not aware about that hidden side, which this individual's core it is. The core is something else, and when you get to the certain point, and you will realize, oh, this is not what I saw in my person. I was not attracted to that. And then things got chaotic and everything goes a down thing. Don't do that. Enter, talk, converse. After doing everything, conversations and everything, understanding, realize what they want, understand what they want. In a relationship, everyone needs to become a provider. Don't start just expecting and receiving and some things like that. No, try to provide what you can provide. Also, the fire signs, if your cross watches is watching this, try what you can provide to the Virgo people. It's something like that. Then only a basic relationship would be in a nicer possession, right? Thank you so much, Virgos. I hope it's resonating. Please share, guys, share to everyone who you can. And if you feel that these longer videos are much more resonating, much more helping with you people, please comment on and tell us to make much more. We'll be very happy to make it for you people. That's it. Thank you. May this video reach loads of people, guys.